What's going on, guys? It's Dustin, the Custom Offsets, and we're back with another classic Battle of the Gallery style video. So this time, we're gonna have 3 teams. We'll pick out 1 truck apiece, a couple different products, and make it happen. But this video is especially different because we have actually got some special guests for you.
Yo, it's your boy Hands Down, doing it right here for Custom Offsets, and my boys over at Team Stance. Yeah. Trucks decked out, rollin' through the wood and it flexed out. Rims so big and the windows black, got the knob all lit up, double chromed out stacks. Yeah, we love to get them dirty, but still they so clean. Custom Offsets, Team Stance is the team, we on top of it now. We ain't never gon' fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game.
All right, guys, so welcome back. I know for some of you it's been a hot minute since we've been here, right, and been in a Custom Offsets video. So today we're gonna have a battle of the builds. It's gonna be 3 teams, right? The rules are you get 5 minutes and your build has to be under $5,000. Has to include wheels, tires, and suspension, no stock parts, right? Now, on top of that,
What do we win?
bragging rights and a high five.
I'll take it.
So on top of that, to add a little bit extra spice to today's video, each team is going to have their own caveat of 1 specific product that you have to include. So 1 brand in either wheels, tires, or suspension. So should be pretty simple. Any questions on that one? No. Awesome. Here's how the teams are broken out. Banker Brad, team number 1. Lawson, Sean, team number 2. That leaves Jared.
Trading?
No trades, no trades. No, the free agency is locked. There's none of that. That leaves Fuller and Jared, of course, in team number 3. So, you guys ready?
Let's do it.
Let's get after it. Oh man, you ready for this?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so again, here's the rules. You get 5 minutes, you get $5,000. It has to have wheels, tires, and suspension, no stock components, right? We don't do that here. And your 1 product criteria is ARKON wheels. Your criteria is Nitto tires. It has to have Nitto tires on it. Your specific product is BDS suspension. Should play naturally into Brad's hand here, right? Are you ready?
I guess.
3, 2, 1, go.
So do 2015.
Come on. You want to drive or do you want me to drive?
You can drive.
Should we go truck first?
No, filter by the tires first, because
okay, good
we might
point.
luck out and it could be the very first one that we see. And we're just like, that's it, that's the
tire
one.
brand.
Filtered VDS because I didn't do that already.
We should cut him like 60 seconds off the clock.
No, too expensive. That's probably gonna be over the $5,000 limit. Fuels. Fuel Typhons.
No.
Okay, now just go ahead and scroll. Down.
Yeah.
4 minutes and 27 seconds.
What do you mean? Yeah, you were scrolling up.
Yeah, but I want to make sure I didn't. Why are we starting on page 6?
Because 2015, it takes you to the year.
Oh, okay.
Is this your first time in the alley?
Yeah. That's first time.
All right. So we don't have a timer, so we really have no
Yeah,
idea
right?
what kind of
We
time
could
we're
have been 5
working with
minutes
here.
through right now. I don't even know what's going on.
I'll give you an update when you have 30 seconds left.
Oh, great. That'll be really helpful. I appreciate that.
Hey, honestly, if you really want to win, you could just like find a leveled VDS kit, so like a leveling kit. You know.
4 minutes remaining.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
All right.
Oh no, no. Oh, go to the other 2,500.
Panicking? Do this one. It's got Kendas, RTs, MT. That has, right?
That whole thing is like $3 grand.
Well,
We have $5 grand to play with.
We
We
want
have to
it
find
like.
the coolest truck.
Oh, cool. Struck.
Keep scrolling. Scroll faster. We don't have
You
time
drive
for
then.
this.
A driver
Auto
change
load?
up halfway
God,
through.
the
That's a
scroll-
bold strategy,
the scroll
guys.
is backwards on this laptop.
3 minutes and 30 seconds. Hey, speak up.
We have microphones for a reason.
Yeah, we still can't hear you.
Well, good thing I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the people.
Well, the people can't hear you.
Okay, keep that one in case
You
we
don't
can't
like
find
this?
anything else.
I like this.
It's
Is it in our budget?
stock suspension though. I mean, it would be in our budget because.
It's got to have wheels, tires, and suspension.
Oh!
No
What
stock
was that Cal Summit
components.
one?
Cheaters.
Now we've figured it all out. We're just trying to find the coolest truck.
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. You found the secret recipe? You have
Yes.
3 minutes remaining.
What is that one? What's probably on Forces?
American Forces. Every time we see one that we like, it's on Forces.
Tell me how you guys got here if you have it figured out.
Here's our strategy. So we're just looking at vehicles with BDS suspension and a leveling kit because we know that's going to be the cheapest suspension setup. And then we're just finding the coolest truck then with the coolest wheels and tires. Oh boy, no, not that.
We are in big trouble. We broke it.
Uh,
Okay, let's just start over.
2.5 minutes remaining.
We used half our time for nothing. Let's start over and do it right.
Halfway.
You act like I don't know how to do this.
No, you're a little rusty.
It's a hell of a strategy.
Yeah, we're strategizers.
Fittipaldi's.
How much do those cost?
A lot.
Oh, really?
I'd ask
I wouldn't
Dustin,
know.
but he doesn't pay for his stuff.
How much do Fittipaldi wheels cost? How much are
A
those?
lot.
Okay.
Like
oh,
$4,200
Okay, never
for a
mind,
set of
not that
4.
one then.
2 minutes remaining.
Hurry up.
Ooh, what's this one? That's a very Brad-looking truck. If you ask
Minus
me.
that bumper.
Somebody please Photoshop Brad's face on that truck and lay it on the screen. It's a Brad-looking truck.
Oh, $5,004.
That's close enough. I'll pitch in the $4.
Wait, what about the leveling kit though? How much is the leveling kit? That'll be an extra $100 on top of it.
Dang it. So tell me the rules one more time.
So 5 minutes, you have a minute and a half of that left, by the way. Under $5,000, wheels, tires, and suspension has to have ARKON wheels on.
Yep.
29, 39. Oh yeah, we're under 5.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's under 5.
How much was the suspension?
1,700.
And the tires are 1,700? Man, everything's affordable on this website.
Yeah. You want to do accessories? Spike lugs.
Spike Lux is always
Oh, yeah.
the answer.
Yeah.
Spike lugs.
1 minute remaining. 60 seconds, boys.
We can't not have a truck. Do we have an option in case we run out of,
Yeah, if you run out of time, you just don't bring a truck.
This is close.
if it loads? Ooh.
Can we have Banker install it for free? There's no install cost, right?
No install cost.
Not anymore.
38 plus.
Well, how much is a BDS leveling kit for this truck? Under $1,200,
Right,
right?
like $200 or less. You want if he's got foxes on it or
But under 12 for Foxes.
yeah.
Okay, I think this is it.
Do it.
Oh, this one. Vision rockers are affordable.
On a Tacoma, people are gonna hate us.
Oh no.
Load.
Spike lugs.
Okay.
It might already be on here.
Oh, we
Spacers.
need spacers
Yeah,
anyways.
we need
Yep.
spacers. There you go.
So yeah, we're there with the spacers
15.
and spikes.
Okay, we got it.
We picked it.
You got it?
We got it.
You got the one?
We won. Just end the video.
Okay, all right.
We had 10 seconds to spare. We're in
It
it.
doesn't look
5,
bad.
4,
We got it. This is
3.
it.
You're good?
Yes.
Jared.
Time.
Now close the tabs on the other twos.
All right, let's pull all the guys together. We'll see who won. All right, guys, so let's review the trucks. Truck number 1 here is going to be Brad and Banker's truck. It's a 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty, 20x10 methods, Nitto Ridge grapplers under 37, 12.5, and a BDS leveling kit. Why'd you pick this one?
Because our caveat had to be BDS suspension,
Okay.
which we know is a bit pricey.
Okay.
So Brad's brilliant idea was the leveling kits aren't that expensive, even if you do the whole Fox thing.
Hey, that's way over $5,000.
No, this is the package.
Yeah, the wheel and tire package is almost $3,900, and then they have a BDS
Oh, I didn't
leveling
see
kit
it was
top
on
of it.
sale. Nice move.
A strong contender in position number 1. In the middle, we have a 2015 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD.
We just want to share one thing.
Okay.
The gallery's built so you can view fitments.
Yep.
It has the right price range. We just would like to swap out the wheels with some ARKON Lincoln.
You broke the rules.
No, the gallery doesn't make you buy which wheels are on that vehicle. It just helps you with fitment.
That's fair. That's fair. But you still
This
broke
is
the
how
rules.
it was designed.
No,
Justin.
no.
Your criteria is ARKON wheels.
Yeah, that one has
those
ARKON.
have ARKON
Yeah,
wheels.
that one's gonna have ARKON. What was the rules again?
Moving on.
You're not gonna pick CO2.
I still love that truck, for the record. All right, so Jared and Fuller picked the 2020 Tacoma on Vision Rockers, 20x12 minus 51s, Nitto Trail Grappler, and a 3312. Thank you for getting the brand right. I appreciate you guys for paying attention to the rules. And a 6-inch rough country lift kit.
20x12.
20x12.
33.
That's a
looks
lot
good.
of wheel for
It
a
looks
Tacoma.
It is a lot of wheel for a Tacoma.
It's like a monster truck. And like,
I want you to know they picked this in the last 30 seconds. They just
if it's 30 minutes, it's 10.
can we just take one more look at CO2?
All right.
This guy probably should put LED headlights in though, so the halogens are not cutting it.
Yes, absolutely.
For that reason, he's out.
We're down to 2.
No, but if it would have projector.
Oh, it would have.
He ordered them.
They don't have that
The
in their budget. They
Morimotos
don't
are
have that in
on their
budget.
way.
Yeah, they're on their way.
You don't have that in your budget. Ours fit into our budget.
Oh, Lord. Okay.
10% off. We got sponsored.
Tell us who won, Dustin.
After serious deliberation of the jury and much back and forth in terms of decisions making. Yeah, that's the point. The winner, because they followed the rules,
Oh,
It's Jared and Fuller.
you picked a mini truck?
I did. 20 by 12 Vision rockers, right? Close to home. One of my favorite wheels. 6-inch rough country lift kit. Looks. When I look at if I had $5,000 to build a truck, right? Something like that comes into play. I think that's
And you can get the truck for $5,000.
also a good option.
I'm gonna file for an appeal.
On a serious note, though, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And of course, if you want a chance for your truck to be rated or featured in an episode of a video just like this, you got to add it to the gallery, customoffsets.com/ad. It's that simple. With that, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.